I didn't make it to the top. There's still mountains everywhere. Look at this. Can you guys see? I am dead tired. Oh my God. We're at 2100. Wait, we're at a high. I wanted to stop way down there though, because I didn't want to come in snow. It's terrifying.
I got my head out the sunroof. I'm blasting